Hi, welcome to today's update on the Open Network. We have some thrilling updates in store for you. Let's dive right in. New horizons and hidden realms for Memelanders. News from Tang Memelandia. Emerging contenders added to the major and minor leagues, plus more meme coin magic in the making. Integrations with Dropi, Boinkers, Moki, Wangtang, Clayton, and Cosmic factions makes them the Knights of Memelandia. Memecoin Mountain welcomes Dark, TVM, and Super Wangtang to the minor league, adding a combination of hidden utilities and onboarding tactics. Bolt and Duplo coming soon. The major league sees two new meme coins racing and popping their way to the finish line, Lambo and Pumpcorn. Next, OKX Ventures invests $5 million in Tang Ventures to fuel Telegram native apps. OKX Ventures, the investment arm of crypto exchange OKX, has announced a $5 million investment in Tang Ventures, a fund dedicated to accelerating the growth of the open network blockchain ecosystem. By building on OKX's recent launch of the $10 million Telegram Growth Hub, they aim to create a network of expert builders to develop top-tier Tang applications. A focus on decentralized finance, gaming, and creator economy tools and AI positions Tang Ventures as a powerful force in driving mass adoption of Telegram native Web3 apps. The fund is also working on expanding monetization tools for creators and advancing mid-coin gaming on Tang. The collaboration between OKX Ventures and Tang Ventures signals a strong long-term commitment to the future of decentralized apps on Telegram. Check the link in the description to read the full article on this topic. And finally, Tang Accelerator has partnered with Bybit to launch the Cross-Chain Synergy Cohort, a game-changing initiative for Web3 developers and projects within the Tang ecosystem. This collaboration offers unparalleled support, including marketing assistance, onboarding resources, and access to liquidity through Bybit, one of the leading exchanges. The Synergy Cohort is a unique opportunity to drive innovation by bridging Tang and EVM ecosystems, unlocking access to over 950 million Telegram users and $90 billion in cross-chain liquidity. Applications are now open. If you're ready to build groundbreaking solutions and shape the future of cross-chain technologies, apply today using the link in the description. That's it for today's update. Stay tuned for more and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay informed. See you next time.